Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn one of the most important chapter in class 10th political science, federalism. By the end of this video, you will understand what federalism means, its key features, types of federations, Indian federalism, language policy, decentralization, and why federalism is so important for India. So, let's get started. What is federalism? Imagine a school. The principal manages the entire school while class teachers manage individual classrooms. Similarly, in a country, power is shared between central government and state government. This system of sharing power is called federalism. Federalism is a system of government where power is divided between a central authority and various state governments. Both levels have their own powers and responsibility that are protected by the Constitution. Key features of federalism. Federalism has some important features. First, there are two or more levels of government. Second, both governments rule over the same citizens but have different responsibilities. Third, the Constitution clearly defines the power of each level. And finally, these powers cannot be changed easily because they are protected by the Constitution. This prevents one level of government from becoming too powerful. Let's look at some other additional features. The court acts as referee and solves disputes between center and state. Each level of government has its own source of income so that they can function independently. Federalism has two important goals. One, to keep the country united, and two, to respect regional diversity. This balance between unity and diversity is what make federalism successful. Types of federalism. Did you know that all federations are not formed in the same way? There are two major types: coming together federation and holding together federation. In coming together federation, independent states voluntarily join together to form a large country. These states usually enjoy equal power. Examples include United States, Switzerland, and Australia. On the other hand, in the holding together federation, a large country divides power among different regions. Here, the center is usually more powerful. Examples include India, Belgium, and Spain. India is a holding together federation. 3 List of power. Now let's understand how power is divided in India. The Constitution divides subjects into 3 lists. The Union list contains subjects like defense, foreign affairs, banking, currency, and railways. Only the central government can make laws on these. The state list includes police, agriculture, trade, irrigation. Only state governments can make laws here. The concurrent list includes education, forest, marriage, adoption. Both center and state can make laws on these subjects. For example, education is a concurrent list in 1976. Special constitutional provisions. Some special provisions strengthened India's federalism. First are residual powers. If a subject is not mentioned in any of the 3 lists, the union government gets the power to make laws on it. Second, some states like Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and Mizoram enjoy special protections under Article 371. Third, changing the constitution is not easy. Amendments require a two-thirds majority in Parliament for approval from at least half of the state legislative. Linguistic states. After independence, people wanted states to be created according to the language they spoke. As a result, the State Reorganization Act of 1956 reorganized states on a linguistic basis. Many people feared this would divide the country, but the opposite happened. People felt respected and national unity became stronger. Language policy in India. India is one of the most linguistically diverse countries in the world. Unlike many countries, India does not have a national language. Hindi is the official language of the Union government. English is used as an associate official language. The Constitution recognizes 22 scheduled languages. States are free to use their own regional language for official purposes. For example, Tamil Nadu uses Tamil and West Bengal uses Bengali. This flexible policy helps maintain harmony among different language groups. Center state relations after 1990. Before 1990, national parties dominated politics. But after 1990, governments became common. Regional parties gained importance and started representing local interest more effectively. As a result, states got a stronger voice in national decision making. This development strengthened federalism in India. Decentralization in India. Federalism became even stronger with decentralization. In 1992, the Constitution introduced a third level of government. This included local governments such as panchayat in rural areas and municipalities in urban areas. The idea was simple: take power closer to the people. Structure of local government. In rural areas, local governments has three levels. The village level, we have the Gram Panchayat. At the block level, we have the Panchayat Samiti. At the district level, we have the Zilla Parishad. In urban areas, governance is handled by municipalities and municipal corporations. These institutes help solve local problems more effectively. Features of decentralization. There are several important features of decentralization. Regular elections are compulsory. Seats are reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, other backward classes, and women. State Election Commission conducts election. Today, India has around 36 lakh elected representatives in local governments. This makes Indian democracy one of the largest practiced democracies in the world. Challenges in decentralization. Despite many achievements, some challenges remain. Gram Sabha meetings are not often conducted regularly. Local bodies sometimes do not receive enough power and fund. Many local governments still depend heavily on state government. To achieve true grassroots democracy, local bodies need more authority and resources. Linguistic diversity facts. Let's look at some interesting facts. India has over 1300 languages spoken across the country. There are 121 major languages. The Constitution officially recognizes 22 scheduled languages. Hindi is spoken by around 43% of the population. This incredible diversity makes India the world's largest multilingual democracy. Let's quickly revise. Federalism means sharing power between different levels of governments. India has three levels: the center, the state, and local government. The Constitution protects the power of each level. Language diversity is respected through linguistic state and flexible language policies. Regional parties and decentralization have further strengthened Indian federalism. Federalism is important because it balances unity and diversity. It allows people from different cultures, languages, and regions to live together while preserving their unique identities. This makes India more stronger, more democratic, and more inclusive. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand federalism, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, comment below one thing you learned from this chapter today. See you in the next lesson. Happy learning!